talk, you just talk, sure. So that even though as I'm recording this stuff, so that any part you miss, you can just easily go back and check. So I'll just explain. You know me now, but still, for formality's sake, I can still present myself. I am Moses Iluyemi. I'm a software engineer by profession. I've built many apps and stuff like that. I've built many apps using the web, using various about as but for now I specialize on AI. That because AI is one of the most easy tools now that you can actually use to do many things. Back at then when you still feel AI can do something, but now the new trend in technology and the new advancement and the new improvement in technology now, things have become very very easy. So for just today now, we'll be talking about I'll be teaching you on AI content creation. That is AI content creation for business. That's for business. As I said earlier, I'm Moses Luyemi. So day one today now we'll just explain a little about AI to you. So, can you hear me? Okay. We'll just explain a little bit about AI for you. So, we have the learning part for today. So, the learning part for today is learning objective. That is the goals we are going to cover today, just today. So, you will understand what AI is and is not. Then, next, the bicycle analogy. This just explain what AI is all about. Then, here now, the breakdown analysis how AI process input to create text. The next, identify the capability and limitation of AI for business. Then the main part, apply. You are not just learning what AI is all about. We are going to learn how we can implement this AI into human. Like how we can implement this AI into what we are doing. That's what that part means. So now let's go down to what is AI. To my own simple explanation, definition of AI is a software designed to perform tasks requiring intelligence. So most people just feel you can just type. AI is beyond that. AI comes together with your creativity. You have to think, you have to brainstorm. You can't just if you give it a random answer, it will not give you a desirable output. It will not give you what you desire. So take AI like you're an assistant, more of like somebody when you have issue to, you can just lay down your problem. But AI is not God. Yeah, AI can replace human. Don't take that out of your mind. AI can only act on what you give to the AI. You understand? Simply meaning of AI is artificial intelligence. All this stuff is built by me and you. It's built by a human being like us. So you help those models, you help those algorithms to think fast provide when you organize your prompt and send to it. So the next thing now is role. What is this role now? What is it trying to say? A smart assistant for brainstorming. As I said earlier now, you have to first brainstorm, you have to first draft, you have to first write down something down before you start using AI bot like ChatGPT. So let's move into the next now. Analogy. AI is a bicycle. Yes, AI is a bicycle. Why I'm saying AI is a bicycle is because AI give you wings to fly. It make your work easier. But provided you have to steer that bicycle, you have to roll that bicycle. If you are not putting pressure on the bicycle will not move faster. Do you understand? Just like you're having a car now. Those are those days when people are walking barefooted. But now, there's car, there is aeroplane. If you are going by air, if you want to go to Abuja from Kano very fast, you can take plane very fast. Let me say somebody moving with legs safe. You taking plane, you go faster than a person. That is just the difference between you, a person using AI, and someone that is not using AI. Let's say you have like 50 works to do. If you have 50 works to do, but your knowledge about AI will make things easier because you will know how to use those tools to actualize what you want. So the next now is why AI masters for business today. I will show you some of my links of what I've done and I will give you an example. if you are into Facebook content creation, if you are into Instagram posts, sometimes creating content is actually not easy. It's actually not easy because you have to get different books. You have to get books, start writing to paper, do small Google search and thereabout. But now, do you know you can't just you don't need to start going to Google and start searching. If you make tools like if you make use of tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, Grok, all these AI tools, these are tools that make your work easier. But you can't just start using that tool if you don't understand how to ask, also on that AI. If you can see this image now, this man is confused, thinking of ideas, and thinking of ideas is actually overwhelming because you have to think, of something that will drive people to your content, to like your content, to push, and they're about like that. You have to just think. But when you have AI within your side, AI sees as a superior in the sense that you don't give it the task you want. This AI, this algorithm, this bot, it will go into Google, to go into different web browser, to go and give you the most used ideas that people have used before. You just imagine yourself you are in Nigeria here, you are asking for something, you are thinking of an idea, put that idea down, ask the bot will go to in Google, check different sites, it will bring you the best ideas to implement on your content. That's what actually AI do for you. It saves times, efficient, speed, quality. It gives you a good grammar that when people start reading those contents, they will be like, wow, what is this? Who is this person? They want to know more. They'll keep going to your page. You'll keep going to your page and check, this content is actually making sense. What drag you to this to my AI class is because the way I structure my content, down to the way I structure my video, I was able to get attention of you guys. I was able to get attention. Okay, you guys, okay, and this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. Actually, I didn't just wake up one morning and send to bots. No, I think of an idea, I write it down, I follow due process before giving me that result that I just got just now. Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can
Okay,
hear
okay,
you.
you hear me. Okay. I just want to know
Yeah.
if you are following. Okay. Oh, I think I've closed our stuff. Sorry, some minutes, please. Okay, I'm using a different browser for it. Okay, this is where we'll stop actually. So now this is where it gets more interesting. How AI works. You don't just talk about AI when you don't explain how this AI function. You understand? We all use computer.
Yeah.
Apart from computer itself, your phone is a gadget. Those videos I do, I use my phone to actually them. Those are semi-computer too. Your phone is also like a computer. You understand? So now, how the AI work? This is what we call it input, processing, output. Actually, AI works like a human brain. This is what I'm saying. This is why I'm saying this is because before your brain can assimilate something, it has to first come from the input part. You have to type. You can see this person and just trying to type. That is, typing means those text, context, format. Format means the way you arrange your information and send to the bot. Then yeah, this is the brain, this is the processing part, this is where it analyze everything you say, this is where it think. Do you know AI predict? It thinks. AI don't give you final say. That's why most times I'm just being marvel when people just say, yeah, I send this thing to AI. You're the one that will judge. AI will give you different lists of what you want it to do. Then you see yourself as a director, see yourself as a boss. The AI work for you. So you're the one that will know the idea that will work for your own particular solution. You can't just tell the AI to give you results. It might bring you American results, it might give you Nigeria, it might give you Indian results. Remember, it's not Nigeria that did it. So you have to be specific Okay, like that video, I'll just use, I'll lay reference to that video too. You watch that video. Yeah, that video I did just now. I said, okay, a man in Nigerian market, in an African market. So now I've channeled the brain that okay, don't just go randomly. Okay, pick a content, pick somebody in Nigeria. If you can see that face, all of them they are more of like an African person. Do you get? So that the AI bot will think, will analyze, will go through those process, will go through those rigorous process. I call it rigorous process because if I keep doing that thing, it will take me hours. But with the AI, very fast because it's not doing any other thing. You're a family man, I'm a married man, I have works to do, I have my boss give me something to do, and I want to make money. Do you understand? So if I have this bot now, the bot is not doing any other thing, it's just working for you. So you don't expect it to do more thing because I've given it, okay, do this thing for me. It will just go and work on based on what you give it to do. But you see, we now, okay, our dad will call us for money, and your younger ones will call us for money. Many things we think, you think of many things. You can't actually come out with a very, very good solution. But when you have an AI, you can okay, do this thing for me. You can be doing other things. Forget like your board, like where you work now. You want to market your whatever. You send it to the AI. Analyze the prompt. Send it to the AI. The AI will predict. It will look for good solution. You send to then this output now is when you analyze, when you direct, when you think of is this idea actually good? If it's not good, you send back to the AI. This thing is not actually very good. That is when the AI, there's what we call knowledge base. I'll show you that. I'll show you that in the AI. I'll show you example of that in one of the an AI, whether ChatGPT or Gog. During our lesson, I'll show you that. There's what we call knowledge base. It has a database that stores everything they are saying. Let's say for instance now, I have previous chats I've sent since last year. I can still go back there. That's how we say AI is actually multidimensional. It can do critical everything. The reason I can do critical is because it has knowledge base. I think it's before now. It does not have knowledge base. If you ask the question, you just keep asking. But now you can just tell, okay, go and get information. It will go back to what you have done. It will go and check that. Like I gave it task to do yesterday. To go back there and go and bring what I've done yesterday. Okay, this is what you do. Moses, this is what you did today. This is what you did yesterday. Okay, do you want more from me? It will be asking you. So that is the part. I just finished explaining how AI works. So now this guides us to core and concept. It does not think, it predicts. So you get it clear. AI will be God. AI is not God. AI is not human being. It's a bot. The only thing is just that it can do many things very fast, provided you have internet in your phone. You can just easily access Google. Because if I tell you information on Google itself, just that Google you are seeing, there are some deep information that are there that people don't know about. But if you know how to use that AI, it will help you and fetch out those information and utilize it very well. So now let's move to roles of prompts in AI output. So please, I'll explain this carefully so that you won't get confused. So let's see role of prompting in AI output. Let's see it out. I will explain prompting, but I want to give an example. You know about physics. There is force. Like I can see now, this is a balance. This is a scale that weigh your better result, then better prompt, then better result. So if you force in gravity, let's say that force, you are not pushing that force. If you are not applying full force on those load, it can't actually give you a good result. Because if you are not applying force, you just give it a random prompt, you will not get a good result. That's what I'm saying. You have to first draft out what you want. You think again. You understand? You think again. That is better prompt to give you better result. So now this takes us to what is prompting. You have heard of prompt. People have taken prompt. It's not a big language. Prompt just simply means an instruction. You ask a child now, come, go to the bedroom, go and get me pure water. It will go. You are being specific. It's okay. Take 15 naira. Buy me one pure water. It will bring. You are being specific. You are being specific in the sense you say take 15 naira. Get me one pure water. You understand? It will go and go and give you that one pure water. And again, you can see you pass the instruction, it execute that instruction because you are being specific. Then now the golden rule, quality, quality of your input. Your input matters a lot. You can't just give it a generic prompt. It will not give you a good result. That's why most people just say this AI is not giving me a good result. There are some things I do in my office that people will not be like, sharp sharp, you have done this thing. There is no secret behind it. It's because I know how to use prompt properly. There are some works people will give me there are some works my colleagues will give me. Most do this thing within 5 minutes I finish doing it. Why? Because I understand how this prompt looks like. I understand what this AI actually means. So if you understand what AI mean, you'll be more of like a boss in where you work. People can't do without you because you have added more skills to your knowledge. You have improved yourself. Things keep going every day. We have learned different skills. Things keep
If I'm to ask,
Okay.
hello,
I can hear.
this prompt now is it? Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
This prompt now is it a tool on its own?
It's a text. It's just
Hello.
information that you type.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
It's just
Okay.
information you send to the bot. We'll Pascal, don't worry. You will Pascalize it. I'll show you an example of a prompt. I'll do it on ChatGPT. You will see it. I'll type it. You will see it. So just keep listening, please. So now, golden rule. I've explained this. Comparison now. This is where we come to. Okay, as you said earlier, you asked me, is this prompt? Is it two? This is where the prompt comes in. Comparison. This is a prompt. Write a post. Write a post alone is a prompt. Forget the big grammar. Forget the big English. Prompt. Write a post is a generic result. So what I'm just trying to say, the reason I'm putting X here is because you are not being specific. This input alone is not well arranged. You didn't apply force to it. You just give it a text. You just send to the bot, and the bot will not give you a good answer. It will just go generic. It will just give you a generic result. But yeah, the reason I mark here green is because this is a clear prompt. When I mean clear prompt, get it again. Prompt is a text. It's text. It's what you send to the AI. If you send an instruction that does not actually give the AI full details, it will give you a random answers. Do you get? It will give you a random answer. It won't give you a good reply. It will just give you a random answer. So here now, write a friendly post for a gymnastic specific result. Here, you are being specific. You see, write a post on what? You are not being specific. But here, you are being specific. Here, you see, write a friendly post for a gymnastic. That is gymnasium and people that went to do exercise. Here, you are being specific. Right, we know it's right. Yeah, you are asking. Then friendly. Poem is more of like a sentence. You understand? Just like it's English. You write, okay, it's more of like a sentence. Do you get? Like pronouns. But in those pronouns, they are action. They are words. They are action that qualifies noun now. So they are actions that tells you, okay, this is what you want the bot to do for you. So let's move to Kappa. Let me test this for you so that you will understand what I'm trying to say. I have a ChatGPT on my Chrome. Can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes, I can see your screen. I can see it.
Okay. So I want to Pascalize something for you.
Okay.
I think it's still low in sure. Then it
stands guard. Vinny Junior's past him. He's starting to win that duel. He could have beaten him again. Benfica were in trouble. He's going to have another go. Lifting it for Valverde. And Gonzalo Garcia has a go, and Arda Güler follows in.
I think my network is not losing my. Okay,
Real
okay,
Madrid
okay.
now have a real grip on the
This is your
game
volume
and the
small.
tie.
Okay, now
Okay.
this is ChatGPT I use. It's a free version, but what I do, even though you are using advanced, even though you are using a paid version, I will get a quality result from the AI. Why? Because I know how to prompt. So I told you there's an example I mentioned earlier. Where is it? Okay, it's here. This is an example. Write a post. Let me go and type it there now. I'll send it to the AI. Write a post. You see, I'll send it to the AI. It's loading. Think network. Yes, you can see now. I'm not being specific. See what it's telling me. Write a post. I say write
So
a, what is it telling?
what what did you type? I did not see what you typed.
Okay, okay. See what I typed here. Write a post. Can you see it? Can you see? Hello.
See, I'm trying to see. Where did you type?
Okay, let me do
This
it
your
again.
chat. This your chat. This your chat. GBT. Is it on your Chrome on your WhatsApp? This thing.
It's on my Chrome. It's on my Chrome. It's advisable you use Chrome.
Okay.
It's advisable you use Chrome
Okay.
than using ChatGPT, than using WhatsApp. You see, Chrome, we have we have a standalone app for ChatGPT. We also have a Chrome. So I always advise you use Chrome. If you don't know the link to WhatsApp to ChatGPT, I'll copy the ChatGPT link. I'll send to you. You don't register. You register and you start chatting with it. Nothing more, nothing special. You don't register, put your full name, put your date of birth. Nothing. There's a video I did on that on my YouTube channel. There's a video I explain how ChatGPT work. I'll share it to you after the class. There's a video I did on my YouTube. I'll copy that link. I'll send it to you so you understand how ChatGPT flow. There's a video. You just watch it carefully. I think it's there. I was like 30 minutes. I think that should be since 2024. I did a video on that. So I'll show you my YouTube link. You will see how ChatGPT works. ChatGPT has a look. You watch it. Anywhere you have issues, just always ask questions. So see what I sent to the chat. Let's go back to the class. So this is what I sent to ChatGPT. Write a post. You can see he asked me, sure, I would love to know. So he's telling me now, what is it about? Is it AI? The reason I'm showing me all this stuff is because I've used. Remember what I told you earlier? I told you before that ChatGPT have a knowledge base. I've used this ChatGPT before. That's why I come here and ask me what post about. Is it AI stroke tech? Is it mosaic brand? Is it mosaic tech brand? Is it motivation? Is it business? Is it personal story? Is it YouTube promotion? Is it education content? So this is what I've actually type converse with the bot. So you can see he just listed what I've. And now ask me again, what and which platform is it? Is it LinkedIn? Is it Facebook? Is it Instagram? You see all those kind of stuff. So this is just this simple text I wrote right now is just a prompt. So now I'll be specific, like what I write in our in the slide. What I wrote in the slide. I was in the slide. Okay, you can see this value prompt. Write a post. You can see back. So it's being generated. So now I'll now go back and say write a friendly post for what? For gymnastic. Okay, let's go back there.
If I may ask,
Okay,
is prompt? Is it the question or the idea you give? You ask ChatGPT. I don't know
prompt
if
is the
I'm
question.
okay.
Prompt is a structure way. The way you structure that your idea you're asking me. There are two things. Oh.
Yeah.
You can send in an idea. This is what you want to do. But if you didn't compose it properly well, it will not give you what you want. Do you understand? Okay, come up with an idea from your head. Let me write. Let me structure it. Are you there?
I think they're bottom of the table in London.
Yeah, I'm with you. Okay, let me concerning my area of business.
Yes.
Let me say, okay, ask them someone that wants to know about load analysis in solar system.
Come again.
Load analysis in solar system.
Shelter room. Busy as ever.
Know more about what?
Load analysis
Loan
in
or
solar
load?
system.
Loan or load?
Load like
Okay.
load like LOAD.
Are you seeing it? Is it okay? Hello?
Yes.
But you see what I write, right?
In wait, in solar system. Or better still, just like load analysis in installing a solar system. Yes, in installing a solar system.
I'm coming.
Touch on the ball.
Is it okay like this? Hello?
Um Load analysis in
Carrera.
installing a solar
Okay.
system.
Vinicius Junior. Tedic was sat down. Vinicius Junior got back up really quickly to keep Madrid going.
Installing.
A solar system.
Ranjo Ivanovic
This is where
on the
you
bench
get it
tonight.
now. This is where we get. Let me not send it like that. Let's see the result.
Okay.
It's loading. If you are not seeing, let me know.
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
You can see before
Yeah.
you install social system. Okay.
Iluyemi down, and the whistle does go just as Benfica threaten to break. And Iluyemi says to all of his opponents, that's a push. Otamendi saying, how is that a foul? The general has had quite a few conversations with the
You can see
referee
answers,
tonight.
man. But to me,
Mhm.
I don't like this. Do you know why?
Why?
Because it's not actually giving me what I want. It just go direct. But now if I should add this text to it, write about a post for someone that,
Those
okay,
moments where you might
write
think,
about
how is
a
our
post, a
evening?
friendly,
Because if that just comes off the right boot of Iluyemi and it was inches away, millimetres away from doing so, Courtois got no
or
chance.
teach me.
Iluyemi being wrestled this time, but the advantage is with Madrid. Here's Camavinga. Vinicius Junior has Carreras running on. And ignored. Over to Valverde. Valverde not the first player to slip just in the act of passing or shooting. Camavinga.
I see family.
Valverde. Made the control look easy. It's Carreras all the way over from left back to right wing. Returning it to Valverde.
What? It's not still okay, but do you know what happened?
Mm.
You see this thing now? Then I will tell the AI now. Restructure this prompt for me.
As Gula comes in onto his left foot, Otamendi closes it down. That little touch, just think it's going to go into that far corner.
Doesn't quite catch the strike.
No. Scuffs it a little bit, doesn't he?
You can see, ba.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Let me get something
Okay.
from your voice. Say write about a friendly or teach me on how to know more about load analysis in installing solar. Then you now wrote restructure this above idea and change it to prompt. Okay.
So this is actually advanced. So now, before when AI have not been improved, on one of my head I dey use write AI. I dey use write text. So okay, see now, ba. I've
Mm,
I've told the AI. I've given it a task to do. You can see he has given me this
okay.
prompt. How do you see this prompt?
Okay, let me read it. The explain load analysis in solar system installation is a friendly and
Sorry.
easy to understand teaching styles, breaking down step by step as if you are getting as if you are
Guiding.
guiding a beginner. Okay, who has no technical background. Okay, it's good, it's good. Go down.
And he was nibbled at this time unfairly. Free kick for Benfica.
So now it has given me a prompt, ba. Then I'll copy this prompt.
Yeah.
I'll copy this prompt now.
Their best bet in an attacking sense. Scored the goal that briefly had them level in the time.
I'll copy it, Control C. Now I'll paste it
Okay.
again.
They're still very much in the time with half time approaching.
You can see. So it will explain to you.
How it works
You see
during
that,
the interval.
Baba,
Yes.
you don't need to go school
Well,
or
in the middle of the
anything. You
changing
can
room
see.
loudspeaker for the special one to read out the game plan that comes next.
Yes.
You can see this.
Contact loading. Somehow.
Given away
So
by
now it's
Dom.
explaining to you. Do you get?
Alexander Arnold.
Yes.
And they are being specific. So this is where all those English I'll be telling you since. Okay, I was saying, okay, if you give it a random prompt, what will it give you? To give you a random answer, is that not? If you check this place,
Yes.
if you check this place, this first one will first send to it. To me, sir, I not too understand all those stuff. All those stuff will send to it. Okay, see. Okay, let's go back.
Just forced a brilliant save from Trubin. All for nothing.
Okay, see. Come on to go back to that prompt we did. Sorry, I think my mouse. I want us to just go back.
For the first time, a big game in the Champions League this season has absolutely rocketed along.
You can see write about a post for someone that wants to know more about. You can see it's just been generic. There's no detail. If you remember those days, they give us exam question. Elaborate. Do you understand that kind of question?
He's going to go past Dennis in the end.
Elaborate, explain, expatiate, all those kind of stones. All those kind of stones. It actually help us. But all those things, all those programs, you are using it here.
We're great.
Do you understand?
Right, so top
Yeah.
Yeah, you are using it here. That's what I'm saying. People just feel you just sit down in AI. You just write. It will not give you. If you sometimes you are not even intelligent, so you can't actually use
And then
AI.
he's got the quality
Do
at
you
the end
get?
of it.
You can see what writes. Maybe just write this down. I say, okay, it will go. To go and give you something like this. But when we come to when I now tell you that okay, we structure this prompt. Do you get? That is when you act as a director. You understand?
Should be cleared.
Okay.
You can get prompts. Okay, explain the load. So now let's go back. Let's go to the answers.
Camavinga. Here with Vinicius Junior. It's that old mantra that fullbacks are taught. Watch the ball, not the feet. It sounds easy. It's really not. And now Vinicius Junior down, grabbed at by Dennis.
It explains. The first explain what is load analysis.
Yeah. What is load
Load analysis is
analysis?
simply the process of calculating how much. Even though me said I'm not into your feet, with this I can actually understand. You get? I can actually understand what. So most times my colleagues will say, how much you take the girl? Sometimes I'm not into accounting, but they should give me accounting work to do. Baba, I'll tell them that in the next 2 hours,
This is Julian
I'll be
Hibbs
done.
lapping it up.
Before you know, I'm done with the
feeding on
accounting stuff. They said,
the
I
good and
just
bad
smile,
noises from the crowd, whether they're in support of him or against
and the
him.
tax
It's all fuel.
the tax I give to them, the answer I give to them is better than someone that studied accounting. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So the thing is just all about what I'm teaching you now is something you will benefit later. You might not start using it, but when you start using it, when you are consistent in a week, like let's finish the class, and every day you are practicing it on your own, you bring out an idea.
Yeah.
You just think for like some hour. You try it. You have any issue, you chat me out, guy, what's up now? This stuff, I get issue. I cannot. Okay, this is what I use. That is when I'll start giving you some. If you are going to some if you can't pay for some classes, they will not explain to you. They'll just copy prompts and give to you. And that's what most people are doing. That's what I observe. I've watched most videos. I see that okay, you don't give people prompts. They'll copy prompts. You don't understand what they copy. So if you can understand your prompts, my brother, you'll be a boss on your own. No, if you know any prompts,
Okay.
no AI you cannot use. This is just the gospel truth.
Okay.
No AI, because all the AI they work on prompts. Let me even give you one secret here. That flyer I did, this flyer I did for you.
An action-packed first half, 3 minutes really, where it really all started
This
to
flyer I
life.
did,
Rafa
I
Silva
used
digging
AI
in to
for
give
beginning
Benfica
to
the
end.
lead. It lasted less than 3 minutes.
Do
Shoameni
you
at the other
understand?
end with a quite brilliant
Yeah.
I used AI, but I was able to come up with a good structure. I have a plain text. I first brainstorm. It takes me for like 1 to 2 weeks. I always put to break because people need to see. We're not just writing. You're not in secondary school. They'll be giving you notes. You're not in university. They'll be giving, and you need something that people can understand. With this image, at least you
Yeah.
understand what I'm trying to say. Is that not?
Yeah.
But at least going to
Yeah.
ChatGPT, I was able to explain. So now you understand what prompt is, but
Yes.
there's no confusion. So now let's move to capability of AI in business content creation. So now this is where your ideas comes in. Ideas means AI is actually good with ideas. Like ChatGPT, one of the best AI tool for idea generation. I give it to ChatGPT. We have different AIs. We have different AI. But see ChatGPT,
Yeah.
leave it. If you can help you and brainstorm idea. Let me instead of talking too much, let me go to my AI. Let me say, okay, please, hello, kindly give me a business idea for Facebook content creation niche. The reason I'm saying Facebook is because all of us use Facebook. Let me just explain what I'm saying here. Kindly give me business idea. Kindly give me a business idea for Facebook content creation. Content creation that I'm doing, that's what we are. That's what I'm teaching you. You understand what is content, right?
Yes. Yes.
You understand what is creation. Then niche. I know you
Yeah.
don't understand niche. Niche just simply means there's a video I did on that on my YouTube channel. I will share you that too. Niche just simply means we have different type of niches. We have
Yeah. No.
okay, let me just send it to the AI. It will give you safe. Great question, you see?
Yeah. I was thinking niche. Is it not a particular thing
Yes, particular things you do.
emphasize on
Emphasize on.
that? Yeah. And
So
that
now
you
you can
focus
see here
on.
now. Yes, what you focus on. But bringing it from offline to online. Do you get?
Yeah.
Buying and selling online. Do you get?
Yeah.
You are into photography now. You bring it online. Like you're into solar. You bring it online. You are teaching people what you do. I even advise you now. This is your work. You open the Facebook page. Start teaching people using the way I'm teaching how to use AI now. Make use of it. Teach people on because most people they don't know what solar is. You have okay. This I'm giving a business mindset. Now for you to beat
Okay.
your competitors outside there, you have many people selling what you are doing. What you need to do is you need to tell them protection of what solar can be. Most people don't know about solar. I'm not thinking of getting solar myself, but I don't know how dangerous it can be. So all those kind of stuff, if you creating a video that's explain, I'm giving an idea that explain what solar is all about. That alone will bring people to your oga. You will get more customers. But one thing is consistency. Don't expect that you put one video and people will just buy into the idea or not buy into the idea, not lie to you. You have to be consistent. Like my Facebook content you are seeing, but I actually start creating content. I use six months without leaving AI. I was just doing my all what I don't focus on AI. If you check my content, AI. I'm putting an AI image. At least that one, you are changing the ideology of the algorithm of Facebook to for people to channel their energy on what solar, on AI. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So now it has given an idea. AI tools, automation, education, whatever. Okay, teach people how to use AI to what? To write content, create video,
Create
automate business,
videos,
design
automate
graphics.
business.
You can see build. Why this works? AI is going fast. You can see AI is going fast. Let's keep going. There are many secrets I will show you, Sha. If you are being consistent with my class, there are many secrets I will show you about AI, and with the end of even these 2 weeks, I'm sure you should be able to learn how to do something best on your own. Do you get? So now let's continue. But you
Yeah.
understand now? Are you getting it?
Yeah.
The aim is
Yeah,
not
I'm
just for me to
getting it.
just teach. The aim is for me for me to ensure you understand. That will be the joy. You get? So now let's continue. I just explained idea, right? Drafting. The first thing
Yeah.
is for you to be very good at AI is you have to you have to idea generation. You have to know how to generate that idea. Now you have to first come up with an idea. Then the next, you still need to use paper and pencil write down the idea down, or there's notepad on your phone, there's notepad on your system. You can you can you can carry that notepad, those ideas, then you give it to the AI. Then here polishing, sorry. Example, check your grammar. Like me now, if I'm trying to write any text now, or that English sometimes might not make sense. I'll just try and check the English again to ensure the English makes sense. If not so, it will give me a random answer. But there's another way again that will tell the AI when we get there, when we get that bridge we cross. There's a way there was an instruction I will set to the AI that if you should give me a wrong English, she correct it automatically. So do that. All those
Okay.
things you will learn it in the AI class. So we proposing example turning a report into LinkedIn post. See, we have different. Okay, let me explain this with proposing now. The way you are handling Facebook, you can't handle LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp. You can't handle them like that. You have to first understand the algorithm of how those social media. Sorry, I will still finish the class. You have to first understand how those social media's platform works. You see,
Okay.
from Facebook down to WhatsApp down to Twitter, so that AI can make you to understand how those social media platform works. Like it will explain
Okay.
in details to you. That is what we proposing mean. And the AI tool that will tell you that is good with that is Gemini. Gemini is baba in that. It can help you and create a content that can pull people from their shoe. A lovely content. But first,
Okay. The Gemini helps in the social media part.
yes.
Like, okay, any content for Facebook, it will help you in it.
Yes. But
For
what you do is first go to ChatGPT. Me, I used to make use of this. The thing is, I was able to for the past 3 years, I was able to understand the weak the weak and the positive side of each AI tool. All AI tool can't give you everything. You have to be the brain. That's
okay.
why I was telling you that you are the one that they only predict. You're not that judge. You're not that judge their results. Do you understand? So I was able to understand ChatGPT. I was able to understand Gemini. I was able to understand Grok. I was able to understand there's another new AI now that just comes in, Cloud. I was able to understand how those ones they function. They have they have limits. Do you understand? They have positive parts and they
Yeah.
have bad parts. They can't be perfect. Do you understand? So what I do is
Yeah.
to win this case, I interchange them. Like Gemini is very good with image. If you're talking about facial looks, Gemini will give you perfect. ChatGPT will not give you
Okay.
perfect. But if you want a better prompt, you see that prompt I showed that would tell the ChatGPT,
Yeah.
ChatGPT will give you a
Yeah.
better prompt. So if ChatGPT will give you a better prompt, either you can now use that prompt,
Okay.
take it to Gemini to
Gemini.
give you an image or to give you a post. Gemini will give you an engaging post. When I mean engaging post that
Yeah.
people will not just scroll. People will go back and click and like and comment. That's what they mean by engaging. People will
Okay.
comment on your comment section. That is all those prompts all those content that you post on my Facebook. I don't like to I'm using AI, but I utilize the way I use it. I make it more like human. When people say, "Wow, this is love, this is love, this is love," but I don't use AI, I don't deceive people. But I'm just trying to market myself. This is where you will sell well in what you do. So let's move to limitation. You will still finish. We're almost done. Limitation. I've not explained limitation. Sef. No emotion cannot truly understand human feelings. Yes, AI can't
Mm.
understand what you do. AI can't think in your brain. You want to do the thinking. What make my task easy now these days is before I do code to I do before I've designed people's website, because before I move into AI, I actually build website for people. I build website. So before I build that website, I have to think of the concepts, how this thing be like. But when AI have come, I'm always happy because I'll just put my idea down. They will give me what I down and judge what I want from it. Do you get? So and again, it has limitation. It's not everything that AI give you that you use. No, that's how most people see today. I do project for people, but people, it's very hard for them to recognize that project is AI. Do you understand?
Okay.
I make use of ChatGPT in a good way. I make use of this prompt. Sometimes I wrote a project for a master student that computer science. He gave me the project. I've not done masters before. So with the idea of AI, so what I just do is I just okay, I have thesis to write. I just understand what that person wants. I have thesis to write. So now I want you to act as this. We'll get to that part. I want you to act as a professor. Organize this thing for me. The AI was able to give me a full complete project. I was even asking the guy, can you tell me this is AI? He said it's not. I say it's human. I say I write it myself. I just laugh. I just shake my. Everything was AI. Everything was AI. But I was able to. That is why I'm telling you that your prompt matters. Many people just tell you, I'll just send to you. I'll just give you. It's your prompt. The way I write my prompt might be different from the way Mr. C writes his prompt, and the way you see my results. Any work I'm doing for anybody, I ensure I put out my best so that they will come tomorrow. Did you understand? That is
Yeah.
where originality comes in. Relies on pattern, cannot replace true human. It cannot replace true human. If you give it anyhow prompt, you give you anyhow answer. Did you understand? But if you are being
Yeah.
creative, like I told you, if you check our earlier class, I was talking about bicycle. You know now, if you don't pedal that bicycle, if you don't hold that bicycle, it will not move.
Yeah.
It will not remain
It's normal.
dormant. Just like if you didn't apply force to any moving object, I get car now. I now apply force to that car. What's up? The car no go move now. You go move.
No, no.
That is what AI is all about. So I've been able to explain limitation of AI. Then let's come to woman. Please, I'll just explain all this. Every day we have we have uh, we have slide that we explain, and I'll give you what to do. So woman plus AI collaboration. This is where I comes in. This is where I come in. Look at just imagine these parts like me, like this Moses. Then this is the AI. This is the editor. So now, me now, I always think of an idea. Woman defines strategy and prompt. Why what? Why AI? It generates drafts. All those heavy lifting, AI does it for you. AI do a perfect lifting for you when you give it what? A good prompt. So from here, you bring in a very good idea. You bring in a very good idea, AI will successfully give you a good result. Do you understand? At the end of our class, I will show you
Yeah.
many AI tools that people don't actually know that exist. People just look down on it, but I'm betting you if you're able to understand prompts very well, any other, no matter any AI you see, you can use them. It's not a must study computer science or whatever. There are most people that are doing perfectly well than people that study computer science. You get. So now this part
Yeah.
now AI generates, it drafts heavy lifting. So now the formula is here is the formula 80% AI effort plus 20% human touch. So you can be sleeping and AI will be doing your work. Once I've provided what I want you to do, it do many work for me. The day I was able to generate my poems, what I will teach you people today, what I will teach you people tomorrow, I draft those poems, I write them down, I just give it. I went and sleep the next day. AI was able to generate the full PDF stuff. Provided, see now, AI did this thing, but I was explaining it because I know what I give to the AI. Did you understand? If it's AI now,
Yeah.
I can't explain what the AI do. But I'm not that analyze, I'm not that channel what I want the AI. That's why I was able to explain everything I'm saying here. So now this is the formula: 80% AI effort, 20% human touch. Back at those days, you have to. I used to write content before. It would take me some days. It would take me like, I remember when I was serving where I worked before. It was to draft content. Baba, it take me like 3 to 4 days to come out with content. But now, bye, guy, it don't take me more than, since I know what I want, it don't take me more than 30 minutes. Or if I the plus and minus, if I want to have my idea, 2 minutes, I'm able to generate what I want. The only thing is if I don't have the idea, that is when I'll start
Players in
thinking.
the all-white
Do you
Real
understand?
Madrid
So now this take us to
take to the field again.
practical
They just
exercise.
made their Benfica counterparts wait
So
a little
please, I
while. They'll
think
be back out there for a
we'll be
cool
rounding up soon.
2 or 3
We do
minutes.
have like 3 slides remaining. So practical exercise now. Remember, me I did an example before. Define a short content,
Yes.
task,
Figure out
scenario,
if there's been any
content creator,
changes
teaching
made during the
beginners.
interval. I don't
This is
think
a
so
sample.
just yet.
This is an example. Prompt: generate a sentence, a 2 sentence caption about learning AI. So this is what the AI will give me. See the answer the AI will give me. Learning AI can help beginners create content faster. So as I'm in my class, thank God you're in my class today. Learning AI,
Yeah.
it will help you
President of
to
Benfica.
create content faster. Explore AI tools today to improve your workflow faster. So imagine now, content creator teaching beginners. Turn your turn now. Try this mentally with your specific industry. What I mean is, with what you do, play around with this, and you give me an answer. We're almost done with this. So this is a practical exercise for us. So we're able to cover AI. I was able to explain AI. I was able to show you the mechanisms. Mechanism just simply means how AI work. Then the key clear instruction. That is the key part of it. That is, if this prompt, don't get confused. This prompt just simply means clear instruction lead to better results. So if you are able to give it a good instruction, it should give you a better prompt. Then here now, workflow. Use AI to draft and publish. We'll talk about this. I show you the workflow. So now you have an assignment here.
In the last 16.
Okay.
Assignment. You are a business owner of students, or you're a business owner or a student preparing for next week. Choose a topic just on your own. Choose a topic. Then don't forget, write a value. So now I want you to test difference between value prompt and specific prompt. You can see, write a post. That's a value prompt. Specific post. Now write a specific prompt. Now write a professional post. This is what make it different. So what you will do for me is write a random prompt. So on your own, try to compare a value prompt and a specific prompt. Did you understand?
Out to Trent
Yeah.
Alexander-Arnold, who has the time.
Try to
And it was
compare
missed.
a vague
Early.
prompt
And
from a
Wigan of
specific
it.
prompt. That is just it. And that is all.
Uh,
Isn't it?
So you can
this
ask your question.
Wagyu prompt. What is it all about?
Vague prompt just mean anything. Write something random. Specific prompt means you are being structured. You structure like let's
Hello?
go back to
He said through.
let me not get too confused. Let's go back to
Part of it, not
another example. Let's go back to what we did here.
did score a week last Saturday.
I like your questions. You actually show that you are following.
His first goal in La Liga this season.
Sorry. This one now is structured prompt. Then let's go to vague prompt.
Okay. To Benfica.
Okay.
Mauro Carreras takes issue with the call.
This one now is vague prompt because this is a vague prompt. Do you understand? This is a vague prompt because even though me, you know when you say we should write this thing, it came from your head now. It came out from your head now. Right?
Yes.
When you say we should write this thing, me
Yeah.
even though me say I read it, I was not confused enough. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I was not confused enough. So when I now use this structure prompts, I give to you.
Yeah.
So the year was write about a friendly or teach me on how to know about this is a prompt too. So I now tell the AI now restructure this. That's the above idea. You see, you can see but my English here is not correct. You can see but
Yeah.
the AI correct. When we on maybe our day 3 or day 4, I will show you what corrects this English. So now structure this above idea and change it to a prompt. You can see but this prompt is a vague prompt. This one alone structure the above, change it to a prompt.
Yes.
Do you understand? You now come here now. You are
Yes.
not the answer. You now come here. I don't want to go far. Oh, sorry.
Raul Asensio
See,
is the big one over this issue.
you now come here now. Maybe I will send you this thing on your WhatsApp.
Okay.
You now come here now, Control C. You now come here now and copy and restructure the prompt. Do you get? The one I copied it
Yes.
and now ask it back. She give me an answer. See what they look. So you now analyze. So you can see it's more of like I tell you to do a work and I tell you that do this work. Give me answer to what you do. To what you just did just now.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Sort of position that when Benfica get
Yes.
So
I'm
that's
with you.
just what I mean by value and
Wagyu
please let me
prompt.
send you that stuff on your WhatsApp so that
He touches.
you know the difference.
maybe to have the confidence and the drive to think I can do this myself.
I'll send it to you on WhatsApp.
Okay.
And so now
That's going to be
please let's
well enough for
continue
Dahl
now.
to find truth in. Talking about
So yeah now.
Madrid starting slot. Goes for the
So you have understand value prompt. It's just English. Value is just
Yeah.
you understand. So now write a specific prompt. See now it's being professional here. Write a professional post. You can see the difference. This is just verb.
Yeah.
You understand? So now what to submit a side. So now what you do for me is I want to know if you are following. You give me a vague prompt. We are going to
Okay.
we are going to compare we are going to compare with a specific prompt. That is a specific prompt.
Okay.
So if you are not understanding this, you cannot go further. So you can see what you'll be expecting for the next lecture. What to expect.
Challenges could have got
Day 2,
a yellow
understand
green
prompting.
initially. Launches into Vinicius
The
Junior
problem
and then
why
thinks
AI
it
output
wins
is
for-
generic and boring. The solution, learn the formula. So now I'll show you the formula, the structure and what to do. Next season we will master the act of commanding. So what we'll do now, we'll just do a surface of an AI. At least you're able to understand AI, how AI work. Do you understand now? And some few examples.
Yeah.
So now the next lecture we'll advance, we'll go deeply into AI. I will explain to you how you can command AI, how you can do some crazy
in the Champions League this
crazy
season, hence his
so
suspension.
today this one will end.
Oh, okay.
Today will end our lecture for today. So what you do for me now? I'll need you to ask me some questions and
Not bad for Otamendi.
we will
It's
extend
an ever present.
our time. So
It's
So please ask your questions. Just have a few minutes for questions so I can allow you to.
I've asked my questions. You've clarified me on those vague prompt and specific prompt.
Okay. So, thank you very
So
much.
that's where I was.
Okay, that's what we'll draw the curtain
misunderstood.
for today now. Thank you very much. So
Okay
I
now.
will send you this actual material. This is what we'll just read now. I'll give
Okay.
you again. And I will attach you see the assignment. I'll give you another assignment too. It's in
Okay.
a document form. I'll send to you at the end of this
Okay.
class now. And again, on your WhatsApp, I'll send you there's a YouTube link where I explain ChatGPT. So that when you are coming to my class, at
Okay.
least you should be able to understand the way because it's like you don't understand ChatGPT very well. So I'll send you my video link. There is where I explain what ChatGPT is all about and how ChatGPT functions. I'll send the video guide on that. If you please you watch it, please take your time and watch it. So if any day you're not going to
Okay.
be available, let me know so that I can shift. Please let me know earlier because I always have schedules.
Okay.
I always have schedules too. So tomorrow we'll also meet tomorrow.
Okay.
If tomorrow is not okay by
Okay.
you, you can let me know. But I want
Okay.
you to go through what we just did today. Please take your time, go through it. Any clarification, on our next class, we'll first do that before we jump to the next class because it does not actually make sense if you didn't get it. You understand? Thank you very much. I really
Yeah.
appreciate for this little time.
Okay now. You're welcome now.
Thank you very much.
Okay now.
So we'll be ending it today.
Yeah.
Alexander Arnold, and he gets
Thank
through.
you.
And Alexander Arnold
Okay now.
recovers.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay now. Bye.